Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and do well. So in today's video, friends, I will show you spring wreath decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. Viewers, spring wreath we are going to explore the beauty world of spring wreath. Spring wreath are one of the most popular crafts for decorating home. They are colorful, cheerful, and perfect for welcome the fresh season. Whether you place them on color wall, window, spring wreath instantly bring life to any space. In this video, we will talk about different spring wreath ideas, materials, colors, simple way to make them at home. We will also explore design tips to make your wreath look professional and beautiful. Why spring wreath are special? Spring is the season of perennial flower blossoms return green and the world feel alive again. Spring wreath capture this energy. A wreath is a circle decoration often made with flower, leaf, ribbon, or other material. The circle represents endless beauty. Decorating with a spring wreath instantly left the mood in your home. Handmade wreaths are unique. No two wreaths are exactly the same. This makes them a very personal and meaningful. Base materials for spring wreath. You do not need complicated tools to start making wreaths. Some base materials include a wreath base. This can be foam, straw, or metal. Bring artificial flowers or fresh flowers, tiny like leaf frame, ribbon for decoration, hot glue to flower wire for attachment, optional items, small birds, butterfly, or beads. Even a simple wreath with a few flowers, ribbon can look beautiful. Color ideas for spring. Whispers and friends, I hope you are like my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates for viewers. I love you.